Can you go to jail for issuing a death certificate? Well, the answer is yes. Legal trap number one. You were not treating the patient. The Registration of Births and Deaths Act is very specific. The doctor who must certify is the one who attended the deceased during his last illness, not the doctor on duty that night. It feels like kindness. Legally, you are certifying a fact you were never in a position to know. Legal trap number two, and this is the one that ends your medical career. Brought dead. A body arrives, no history, no records. The family says heart attack. You write cardiac arrest, sign, and then move on. Now understand what cardiac arrest actually is. It is a mode of death. Everyone who dies has a cardiac arrest. It tells you nothing about the cause, and writing it is not certification. And if the death was in fact unnatural, that is poisoning, injury, suspicious in any way, you have just certified away a police inquest. Section 194 BNSS requires an inquest and a post-mortem in those cases. Brought dead is not a certificate you fill in. It's a police intimation. Legal trap number 3. You charged for it. The practitioner shall, after the death, forthwith issue, and I'm exactly quoting what it's written, without charging any fee. It's in the statute, not a guideline, not an ethics recommendation. It's in the act. So the receipt at your billing counter, 500 rupees or whatever it is for the death certificate, has no legal basis at all. And forthwith means what it says. Withholding it until a bill is settled isn't leverage. It's a breach of a statutory duty. So what actually happens if you get it wrong? Section 234 Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which is issuing or signing a false certificate, one which is required by law, knowing or believing it false in any material point. And here's the punishment. The same as if you had given false evidence. It's not a fine, not a warning. You are sentenced as a perjurer. And then comes the second layer, Regulation 7.7 of the Ethics Regulations, which says a doctor shown to have signed any certificate that is untrue, misleading, or improper is liable to have his name deleted from the medical register. If you did treat the patient during the last illness, the duty is mandatory. Here are 4 things which you should do. Number 1, before you write anything, ask yourself one question. Was I treating this person during the illness that killed them? If the answer is no, then stop. Number 2, never write a mode of death, not cardiac arrest. Write the disease that caused it and use the sequence the form asks for. Number 3, brought dead, unknown history, or anything that doesn't add up, please inform the police. And number 4, take the death certificate off your billing software today. The law treats it as sworn testimony. So sign it like testimony, because that's how you will be sentenced if it is wrong. Thanks for watching.